Alright guys, you know the drill. Remove your excess air bubbles from your brush, get rid of your excess liquid, and we're going straight in with our large bead. 1, 2, 3. Make sure that that bad boy is polymerized and place it right in the center here. Now you're going to blend that bead in. And you want to let the acrylic do the work for you. So make sure you turn your nail downwards. Make sure you smooth that bad boy out. Clean up your sides. Going in with our medium bead, this is going to be our apex bead. I'm going to remove the excess liquid starting from the middle of your brush for your medium bead and tap twice. 1, 2. Here's our medium bead. We're going to go in right above that first bead that we placed. Blend that in to the cuticle area immediately. And we're going to blend that in to our other bead. Make sure you're using light pressure when you're feathering your bead downwards, as you don't want to sink any holes into your acrylic. As always, clean up your shape. Make sure everything's nice and clean and crisp. Alright, this is how our side profile is looking. We're going to go in with our cuticle bead. Once again, remove the excess air bubbles. Drain your brush starting from the ferrule to your tip. And we're going to go in and tap once. Place that right above the cuticle area, but not exactly over it. Going in, we're going to blend that bead. And we do so by gently patting the back of that bead. To blend that downwards as well. And then we're going to start moving our bead downwards and feather it into the rest of the nail. Remember, when you're feathering, you want to be very light with this. You do not want to press too hard. Always make sure you clean up your cuticle area so you have no lifting when you're working with your client. Here's our application, and here is our structure. As you can see, we have a flush cuticle area right here. Our cuticle area is flushed here, and we come up, we have our apex right here, and then back down for a nice, well-balanced nail.